In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable text chat in Brawl Stars. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Brawl Stars on your device and sign in to your account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Now in this section, click on settings and this will take you to settings. Make sure that you turn off the mute team text chat to be able to ensure that you can simply chat during matches on Brawl Stars. Being able to text chat during matches on Brawl Stars will allow you to communicate better with your team and have more fun playing the game on the platform. To be able to give you an overview of how it will look like if you have that text team chat enabled, let's start by entering a match on Brawl Stars. So as you can see in here, I've entered a match on Brawl Stars. Once I have entered the match on Brawl Stars, you'll be able to find this chat icon. As you can see in here, you can simply select from all of these emojis that you can find on your text chat section and select one that allows you to express how you feel during the match. And that is how you can simply enable text chat in Brawl Stars.